Hi everyone. Is your Messenger app not opening on your Android? Whether it's freezing, won't launch, or just shows a blank screen, I've got you covered with some easy fixes. Let's jump right in. Before we start, make sure your internet connection is stable. Also, give your phone a quick restart that often clears up minor glitches. Solution 1. Update Messenger. Open the Google Play Store, search for Messenger. If there's an update button, tap it. After updating, try to open the app again. Solution 2. Clear cache and data. Head to Settings, tap Apps or App Manager, find and select Messenger. Go to Storage and Cache, tap Clear Cache first, then Clear Data. Relaunch the Messenger and see if it opens properly. Solution 3. Reinstall Messenger. Long press the Messenger icon and select Uninstall. Go back to the Play Store, search for Messenger, and reinstall it. Log in again and check if it's working. If none of these work, your account might be having issues. Try logging in on a different device or reset your Facebook password just in case. If this video helped you out, please hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching.